everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and welcome to the second video in the wedding series. Actually, I don't know in which order I'm going to upload them, but yeah. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about packing and all that has to do with the bridal trousseau. So in my previous video, I showed you guys my bridal trousseau, and in this video, I'm going to be talking you guys through the packaging and all the little quirks and pretty things that you would need for the ceremonies basically. So there's a lot of vendors who actually do this on custom orders, of course. So I'm going to run you guys through one of the stores which we've checked out. I'll be leaving all the links and all the details in the description box, of course. So here basically we got baskets like this for bridal trousseau. So my brother also got married right after mine. So we got these for the sari packagings, so all for the gifting purpose. So they come with this net and you just have to place your sari or whatever other things you want to give and pull this thread and the packaging is done. So all this is Banaras fabric and they have a couple of options. So all this is handmade obviously, and I think the pricing was quite decent too. So we got a bunch of these in different shapes and sizes for all the bridal trousseau packing. So for my wedding, basically because I'm the bride, we got big round ones to put all the sweets and other things that were to be sent or that were to be placed during the wedding. For that we got them, and for my brother's engagement also we got a bunch of things like that in different sizes to put sweets, dry fruits and all the bridal trousseau. So all the gifts that you give to the bride, accessories, perfumes, makeup and all those things. So for that also we got something like this. So for bridal, I think we got a similar basket in a bigger size and it has like net detailing. I'll try to like include a clip here. While browsing through, I shot a bunch of clips. By then they were actually making them, they were not ready. So you can see some of these here. So it had a little bit of a net here and it looked so pretty, you guys. And in this you can just place everything. I stuck them with double-sided tape and I placed all the perfume and makeup and everything, and again just put a little sheet over it and it looked so beautiful. And since these are traditional occasions, Banaras fabric like this actually would give it a very beautiful look, and they had them in different colors and everything. And for the sweets and everything, there was not Banaras fabric, but there's a paper sheet kind of a thing, and again these pricing also varies. So for whatever I can remember, I'll put the pricing here on the screen or in the description box, and you'll find a lot of vendors like this, of course. And I'm just giving you guys ideas as to how you can think of the packaging. And I think Pelli Poola Jada also does them, I'm not really sure. And not just the packaging, but these people do a little bit of the decor related detailing as well. So for the coconut also, most of the brides actually have this a little bit of a detailing on that, a beautiful design of whatever you wish to. They do these with beads and other stick-ons and everything. So a lot of these designs will be available with different vendors, of course. And like I said, Pelli Poola Jada also does them. I'll leave their link also in the description box. Now I didn't get mine done from Pelli Poola Jada, but I got my garlands from Pelli Poola Jada, and I also got my hair Jada also from them, and it was beautifully done, and the garlands were also so beautiful. So this vendor that I got my coconut setting thing done, they also do it for the smaller coconut, the dry coconut. Even on that they've stuck like beautiful stones, and it looks so pretty. I try and put pictures or something here, and inside this I believe you put the Mangal Sutram. So all of these have such beautiful designs, and it will look really nice there at the puja also, on the at the event, and also in the videos and pictures also. These will look really nice instead of having something very basic. So you can get these done, and you can even do DIYs, of course. You can DIY these as well. You don't necessarily have to order from outside. And I'll leave some other vendors also in the description box, not just the one that I've tried, so that you can see different types of them. These people do a little bit of the traditional style, but I've seen a lot of vendors do like pastel colors flowers or other kind of designs, and similar baskets, but probably a little bit in cane or straw detailing with a little bit net. I've seen them even in Begum Bazar, so you can check out Begum Bazar as well, or your local markets in your cities. And in the same area that I got these from, it is near Yadagiri theatre actually. Even while coming back, I've seen a lot of vendors on the street selling very similar ones, not with Banaras fabric like this, but with paper stuck on it, which has like gold foil. I even got those. So that I can use them as decor for my mehendi. So for my mehendi, we placed all the potli bags and bangles in these, and it actually looks so gorgeous. So you can use these for like decor. We also got some matti kundalu. Basically, we got like pots, which were also painted, hand painted, and had some decor on them. And we use these in the wedding decor, like for my brother's Pelli Poola function and some other events at home. And these actually are a part of one of the traditional event also. I'm not really sure which one, but yeah, we don't have that in our tradition, but we just got them to use as decor. So they have a lot of different things like this. So yeah, I'll leave some vendors in the description box as well, and I hope this gave you guys some ideas. And yeah, so that was about my bridal trousseau packing and everything. So I hope this video is useful. I hope the series is helpful. A lot of you guys asked about different vendors, like the makeup artist, the decor, and even the location planning, venue planning and all that. So I will be doing a separate video on that. I think including everything in one video would make it too long. So let me know in the comments below what other videos you would like to watch in this series. I think I'll be doing some other videos on jewelry and other things related to bridal trousseau, and also some others related to wedding series. But I would like to know if you guys have any questions also. Leave them in the comments below, and I'll definitely come back with those. And I hope this video was useful. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that you're following this series, because I have a lot of interesting videos coming up, and I also have a bunch of fashion hauls and other videos also coming up. So do stay tuned, and also follow me on Instagram for quick updates and all the styling videos and makeup videos. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.